We are pleased to show you the 2015 Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.